So tell me a little bit about the point that you guys have about know what you're paying for, like structure out what do some billers do, and like talk to me about that.
When you're looking for a biller, basically what you want to look for is, are they charging you like a setup fee, right? So, or are they charging a percentage, right? Because what we've seen in the past is a lot of billers take people for a ride on this stuff. And we don't want to see clinicians get taken, right? So what you want to see is there a setup fee? Is there a per hour charge? Is there a per claim charge, or is there a percentage?
Mm-hmm.
And there are benefits and risks to all those, right? So if there's a per claim charge, for example, if you pay like $250 per claim, well, that's awesome, but the biller doesn't have any incentive to go chase down a rejection or a denial because it's all about submitting those claims, right?
Oh, yeah.
Whereas if you have a percentage model, you have incentive to collect, because a biller with a percentage model has great incentive, right? They don't get paid unless you get paid. So you know what? We better chase out for those denials and rejections. Otherwise, the therapist isn't getting paid, their practice isn't sustained, and my business isn't sustained either, right? So those are some big things to look for as far as what you're paying for. And then the last thing I would say is, are they doing a good job with their customer service? So if you are paying 9% for billing, which is an incredible amount of money, make sure that you're getting sort of the Cadillac of services.
Right. Or the Tesla even, probably.
Yeah.
10%.
Oh my gosh, yes. You better be able to text the owner and tweet them if you have a problem at that kind of a rate. So those are definitely things you want to look for. And, there are different things that we'll get into later about what you need to look for.
That as we kind of talked about this, and having done this last month, we want to have HIPAA is assumed that the people will be, health covered entities, and that you have a business associates agreement, and that it's a big red flag if you're considering kind of going with them as a biller and they're not going to, sign up a business associates agreement. So all of that, we kind of went into all about HIPAA technology that with Roy last week, same sort of things.